Hello, I'm Ryan Feige. I'm a lead planner here at Practice Financial Group. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the reports that we have provided to you to help fill out the HHS Phase 4 application. The first thing you're going to want to do is use the link in the email that we've provided to log into your HHS portal. This is similar to the earlier rounds where you need to validate your application by entering your tax ID number, your business name, and your contact information. Once you've done that, you're going to want to wait a few days for the HHS to say, okay, you're ready to go, and you can go in and apply. Once you get that email, here's how you're going to use our reports. Okay, so what you're going to get is you're going to get some income statement items from us, and here's the application that you're going to use when you log into your HHS portal. From the top, this information here will be filled out by you. You should have all this information. The contact information will be there, and so you will be responsible for the top of the application. Once you get down to this revenues section, that's where you're going to start using our reports, okay? The first report you're going to use is you're going to log into your portal and you're going to download your 2020 business tax return. For S Corps, that's your 1120S, and for our partnership clients, that's the Form 1065. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have your tax return up, and on line 10, you're going to fill out from line 6 on the 1120S. Okay, so if you go over here, that's this number, line 6. If you are a partnership, this is line 10. Okay, so on this application on line 10, we would fill out 584,607. Okay, now on line 11, you're going to just put the tax year you use, 2020. Okay, now on line 12, you're going to go over to your tax return and you're going to put line 1C revenues. So for this application, it would be 554,384. On a partnership return, it's the same line 1C. Okay, then line 12.1 on your application, you're just going to put in whether it's from an 1120S or a 1065. Okay, now once you get down to the operating revenues from patient care, that's where you're going to use PFG's provided income statements. Okay, and you're going to see that they're broken out by year and by quarter, and then you're going to use the lines, the total sales line and the total operating expenses line. Okay, so this first part, line 13, okay, we're going to use just the total sales line. Okay, so for this client, you would come in here on 2019 Q1, that is this quarter right here. We would come over here and we would plug in 170,643.73. Okay, now you'll notice that we're going to skip quarter 2 for 2019. And so this is now quarter 3. And so we would go 169,131.42, so on and so forth. Okay. So just be careful to line up your years with the quarter correctly. Okay. The only other caveat here is there is another report that's your 2021, first quarter of 2021, which is this line here. Okay, so for this line here, you're going to go to that separate report, and we're going to put 160,609.43. Okay, same thing with with operating expenses. Okay, that's just the bottom line, total operating expenses. So on this report, I'm going to go to 2021 Q1 and put 138,752.37, and come back here in 2019. total operating expenses, first quarter, I'm going to put 107,279.81. And you're going to fill out all of this financial data from those income statements. Okay. Once you've completed that, the supporting documentation, nothing you have to do. You do not need to do anything on lines 15, 16, 17, or 18. Those will be auto-populated, and you don't need to upload any of those worksheets. For the supporting documentation, okay, upload 2020 Q3 and Q4 and 2021 Q1. So you're just going to use these reports. 2020 is at the top. 2021 is at the top. Those are going to go right here. Okay. 2019, so on and so forth. Okay. Rural providers, that's going to be on you to decide if you're a rural provider. Go to the link that's in your email to see if it is, if you are or not. Your bank account information, this is going to be your business, your main checking business account. Okay, so if you're an S Corp, just your one main checking. If you're a partnership, it would go into the partnership bank account. And then you're going to fill out the terms and conditions, sign the form, and you're going to be done with the application. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.